Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's video. It's a very special, guys. It's another beautiful day which God have granted us. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So, in case you're new, guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So, on today's videos, it's another activity, and at the same time, guys, I think it's our last day fixing the carabat on the ground, and then they will come on top, putting the lid, and then all from work, guys. I'll show you. So technically, on today's videos, it's a surprise from UK. Thank you so much, mom. My God bless you. So right now, I'm heading outside to see some activity, and then from that I'm going to border town, guys, so stay tuned. Wow, that's how my entire house looks like. You see, going up to that way. Wow. Oh man, I came with this shirt from coast or Indian Ocean. When I'm saying coast, I mean I came with it from Mombasa. So I'm right them here. When it stops smelling, I'll keep it inside my house, man. It has a good colors. You can't imagine, guys, this shall get in Indian Ocean. If you're watching my videos when I'm going to the coast, guys. So right now it's a bright morning, and we have some activity going on outside there. So actually, it's another different job. So today I give some other people to fetch water, another guy removing this, like pushing the sun, where it's supposed to be. And then when my engineer arrived, the work is to fix the carabat. So probably let's go and see. That's our hanging clothes. My brother, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, that's my brother. It's very in the morning here. Bruno, I don't want to leave you behind. I have my crazy dog. When they see camera, they start saying, whoa. Good morning, Bruno. How was your night? Alright, guys. I'm heading outside, and I want to see the work for today. Wow. So today I think it's the last day to fix the carabat on the ground. Wow. I'm trying to push every day, pushing, pushing. So this is the work for today. They have already fetched water pouring down, and then you can see, guys, even right here is water. And then we try to put here because they'll come and then using for the mix balance stones, and then boom. Wow, this is water that we get from the borehole, guys. We are not faking things. So guys, technically I want to say thank you everybody who's supporting me, and my God bless you. Oh, I need to make my jacket wear. In our home it's very cold, so we need to wear a heavy jacket. No joke. So the guy who was fetching water from my borehole, bado abdul tahero sasa. Mo chikon mararete pakenge akenge pui. So we need to change another container because the level of water goes down. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
Morning, ma. Sister, say morning. I see your ribs moving down like shaking. It's cold here. So mama, this water we get, and then I think the rest of water he was pouring out. Santa kaya maji yatumike kukoroga kokoto hapo. Something, mama, I need this water to use mixing concrete. And then also, guys, don't be shocked. So on top here they create another carabat and then the lid, boom. So guys, it's crazy. I haven't paid them continuously 3 days, you know. I think 2 days back, and then today is our third day, you know. So they fixed those carabats around, let me say, close to 1 week, because the borehole is very risk, you know. So they're putting 7 carabats, and then until boom. So at the same time, guys, I'm trying to push this soil from here to other side. Morning.
Morning to you.
You good?
Okay.
Yeah, push the sun, you know. So guys, here I don't want some quarrels with my neighbor or chaos, so I'm telling him to push, you know, the sun to other side. Also that muram will use for the next purposes, you know. So yesterday, guys, we managed to bring some sand for the construction, and I appreciate, guys, for the love and support, you know. Wow. Yeah, every day is to push, you know. So I'm pushing this soil where it's supposed to be, you know. Even inside they have the barbed wire. You see, like this one here, this is a barbed wire, my friend, you see. So yeah, as a good neighbor, you need to live in peace, or to stay in peace. So we try to cut another container. Emanira where? Yeah, emanira where means there is manure for fetching water. So guys, we are cutting the container for fetching water. Initially we have that container, but the mason who working on the borehole like misused them in other way. Wow. Muita mahemanira moromolete. So I'm taking my brother to bring a manila to fix here, and then fetching water. I'm telling the guy to fetch water until when my engine of the borehole arrived. That is, he will stop, and then all to continue, you know. They wanna make a day from here. Me, guys, I will never pay people like low charges. I will pay the people the way he do some work, you know. So guys, I want to take you around as we wait my engineer, and then yeah, to see how I'm pushing these videos. So for my new subscriber, thank you so much for welcoming this amazing channel. And in case you're new here, please guys, subscribe, comment, share. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And leave the sweet comment on the comment section. All my videos, it's positivity, guys, you know. And you mean the world to me, you know. So right now, guys, your prayers are very, very strong toward my family. Right now, man, as I speak here, you see me fetch, you see the guy fetching water there. So the remaining 7 feet, man, will get a lot of water. And I'm so blessed because that being said, our borehole, we get around 17 feet. That's the height of water from the ground. Imagine, that's a lot of water. Maybe in future, I'm thinking in future, guys, to be honest, not now, you know, in future, to fix our pillars here going around maybe 20 feet height, you know, and then fix a tank on top. So my work is to pump water from there with a motor, generate to the tank, and then from the tank it's serving the toilet, or from the tank it's serving my mom's dream house, you know. And I'm thinking that because my dream house for my mama could have hot water, warm water. At the same time in the kitchen they need water, you know. So if one day one of my fans pay a visitor, I don't want my visitor to struggle like fetching water from the bore. No. The work is maybe inside the house, you know. So right now I'm trying to push myself to see the end of this month to close the chapter of buying sand, and then next month, guys, which is the month of July, I'm supposed to work on cement. August, let me say July, the end of July is to cut those trees and then put my foot on cement. August there, boom. August, boom. You know, I'll start at the end of August building a house. So here, here what happened? Hata baguchi. Kaniona hano ragendu hikyo wabuko hano kulinge nyoge icho wiki. Sasa nigacha rusi futi 7 hakera manzi.
Hakera harabon ha. Au subuta futi 7.
Matagito. Chapa wiki bohere.
Komanda sidi tonge kera.
So right now no struggle. You know, you see water right now. What the time back in Kaya Barat? But I would just say, because I thought to you, I thought they go in Terapare. Stella, you
Hey,
hey. So I'm telling him my engineer came from Stella, from Migori, and then deeply. Yeah? Guys, you see, we're not faking things. That's pure water. Alright, guys, let's go. And the time's running. Let me check the time right now, guys. It's around 8:02 a.m. my local time in Africa. Wow. So initially, guys, we have this container for fetching water, but my guy who work here cut on top. Let me put for them the container here. Wow. Glory to God, guys, you know, and I thank God for the gift of life. I thank God for everything, you know, and also, guys, I thank God for our good health, you know. So we try to push, man, you know. My work is to push the videos, you know, until further notice. Coke. So guys, I'm checking whether the balance they can finish working, you know. So this is the entire balance from this side here, you know. So I will ask my engineer whether it can finish up. See, wow. So also the next thing that remaining is to buy balance stones. I will contact with my engineer the type or categories of the balance stones that I'm going to buy, you know, either grade number 1 like this, or like this, or like this. I have 3 categories, you know. So I'll ask my engineer, you know. I don't want to rush on things like buying balance stones like this, and then my engineer said, no, we didn't want this, you know. But I know on the ground, we can put even this, you know. Wow. Guys, it's by God's grace, man. It's by God's grace, you know. Bring some sands here. And also, guys, on my borehole, I use stones, some small stones for the to compact, like to fix the wall, you know, where it's necessary, you know. So the ratio of the stones have been reduced, you know. They doing reduction of the stones, but it's working on my side. Wow. So here, guys, it's a serious project, you know. So wow, you see this sand, very nice. This one I go all the way from the river, and I think this is the second trip, you know. Yesterday we were watching my videos, it was my first trip from here. I think it starts from here, it's come all the way up to this side here, and then I think next, like the third trip, they'll go that way. I'll push these stones and then boom, here. So if my engineer need like the smooth sand like this, you know. And the first guy, I give him some let me say like advance, you know, some little money, half of the money to remove the sand from the river. So this one here, yesterday we went to the next river, but I didn't release the videos. So anytime, guys, I release the videos, you'll see. So also we see some different colors of the lorries bring the sand, you know. Wow, we have another one then here. So that one I bought when I was leaving the village going to Mombasa, like a little bit, and then I come back. So guys, this is the pure hard working, you know. So right now, guys, it's the time to buy sand, because when it's the season of dry season, man, trust me, to get a sand like this, let me say, probably you didn't get the sand like this in the river during sunny. You get like that, and then a trip like that goes to $100, you know. That's 10,000, let me say, guys, around $90. That's 10,000 Kenyan shillings. But right now it's $80, you know. That's 8,000 right now. And I think by next week to get some sand, it's hectic, you know. So right now it's the reason why I keep pushing buying sand. But a blocks I'll get from Nairobi, it's already on the market. But the sand, oh, I think this one to mix with a cement, it will easily get the ratio, you know. And also I want some kids to play around with these stones. So other thing, guys, I'm thinking how the blocks will be, you know, starting from this angle, or we arrange like this, you know. And when the time reach, I want to start the construction, I'll slash this space, you know, so to push the road come this side. Probably the construction site will reach at this point here. I put the iron sheet, so I left the place where only the tippers can pass, you know, going up to that way, you know. the first leg of the tipper will step here. You see here, and then another one there. So keep to push, man. Yeah. This is a bigger dog, man. Running, go that way. All right, guys. We're still waiting my engineer, and I'm so happy, more happy because we get water, man. We get water. It's by God's grace, you know. So let me check the guy, because when I was not around, they stop. But when I was there, they keep working, pushing, you know. They're still pushing themselves. And my engineer will come from this side here. And Ima, tema says that. Tema nyeruni. Baganda ne heyo week. Kong. Ibuganda kitoke kene metambe ke kuhek. Agera.
Ikina bikawaida.
Ibienge ben. Ibitoki ibinge binoy. Awa mbili buganda abdeni kitoke re kuhekere gerungo kotam. Tete kwanza tu soki no boni besar be ontor. Tu bi kore ku yeju. Wow, that's my brother right there. So you can like take the manche kam. To kuma ku so gara chemo ka so fa pa hekere to man to nyori nyoro re ko chemo ko hands. Hey. Alright guys, so stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, guys. Good morning once again. I'm just over here, guys. So it's a bright morning. So today the weather is so conducive, and I'm shooting this video from this amazing place. So I left my bike on the other side because my journey continued to Border Town. I'm going to pick some bags of cement, wire mesh, and also waterproof, you know. So maybe it's my last day with my borehole in terms of construction or fixing of the carabat, guys. I don't know, maybe construction or fixing. I don't know. I'm speechless on this position. So you can see, guys, there's some stones here. Maybe if one want to do a picnic, man, look how it looks like. Look, man, how it looks like, you know. You wanna come at evening or morning like this, you chill here, you know. You have your cold drink, maybe you have a laptop, you wanna sit down here. But guys, sorry, don't mind. On my hand I'm wearing my gloves, you know. So when I realize when I'm riding it's too much cold, and then man, like also at the same time it's protection, you know. Like here when you box somebody like this by using this place, like pop, oh, they have already gone. Anyway, guys, follow these videos till the end, and in case you're new here, guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So I want to take you along up to Border Town with my bike, and guys, I take your comments serious. Most of the people say, Hello Baby, wear the helmet. I think when I get money I'll buy the lighter helmet, because the helmet that I have inside my house is too heavy, so I need the lighter one. So probably I want to work on that after finishing the issues of fixing the carabats. Yeah, I think so. So let's go, guys. See this amazing place. Look, it's going up to that way. Wow, and it's large, man. It's large. Maybe somebody wants to shoot a video here, maybe for music, video for dancing. It will create attention and good view. You can see from other side. Wow, let's go. And guys, remember to check out Felicitas on YouTube channel. She was working on watching hours, and we thank God right now she was qualified in terms of a subscriber. So that's not an end. You can subscribe at the same time you watch her videos, so she can push the watching hour. And I think she was remaining with 1,500, you know. So since we left Mombasa, I haven't made a video with her. Probably, let me say, guys, to be specific, I didn't get enough time to create a video with her. But if I finish my stuff here and there, you know, I was working right, left, center. I'm in Borehole town, bring this, I'm in Nyabuhanse. Anyway, guys, you know, because construction is not an easy thing. Like yesterday, I went far away looking for the sand, bring back home. And then this weekend, I think is the best time to buy sand. You know, you see how the wind is blowing. It shows you, it say goodbye the rain. So getting sand, it will very, very tough. Wow. So let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Beautiful stones. Look, guys. These are bigger hole. Here. You see by yourself? It's a bigger hole. Look. Look, guys. I'm not fucking kidding. That's a bigger hole. And it's very smooth. Very smooth. Maybe they want to crash these stones. You know. Look. Very smooth, guys. Very, very. Because I don't want to touch inside. You don't know what's inside there. But here, below here, very smooth. Round. Let's go, guys. So we are shooting these videos. A lot of indigenous trees, like local trees here. I think also people hide here for the green lodge. Sorry to say that, because we normally when I came from school, people come here, you know, which is a normal thing. All right, I hope, guys, I'm going to meet with my baby right there. So it helped me to maneuver around, going to border town, coming back. Wow. Telling you, this place is so amazing. Super amazing, guys. This stone, it starts from other side, run, go that way, and then up to down. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. With fluid vibe to the end. Yeah, me, what I believe this time, it's the time to build Africa, you know. Wow. I think for this case, maybe the engineer arrived, I don't know. So let's go. This is my baby here. It helped me a lot. Guys, thank you so much for having Aki, at the same time for having my new baby. It's by God's grace. I can't complain anymore. Look at the way I'm fixing the key. Like that. You know? Oh, guys. I feel so good, guys. When I have my new bike, man, it's by God's grace. And I say thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. You know, also at the same time, thank you, Dave Jr., because you're supporting me a lot. Here and there, right, left, center. And also your brother, your sister. Let me say generally, family from Dave Jr. supporting me a lot up to nowadays. I want to say thank you for them. You can go and check them out, subscribe, comment, share, including Dave Jr., Marwa, Dimwang, and also Kongat Mom. Support them. Also Uncle, support everybody, guys, from my entire village. You know, you need to build Africa. You know, I know other places in Africa, they have been well developed. Such countries like South Africa, the well developed, Nairobi. There's some other places developed like Mombasa, Kisumu, Nakuru. But for interior part of the village, man, life, like, it's not maybe other people think, you know. So you need to build Africa, and maybe today I build Africa, or tomorrow other people, they can, or maybe young generation that are coming, they will build more than us, you know. Wow. Wow, I see the medicine right there. Wow, let me show you guys. There's a day my mama sent me this medicine, and I'll go through around, and then we go to other people's home, they sell that medicine. But here we get it freely. We get it freely, guys. Let me show you. You know, because I don't want to go inside. It's bushy. I think, you see this? Where can I go to stand, guys? So I can better showing you. It's far away. You see this, guys? It's a medicinal. Also, there's a day Congrat Mom sent me, and then I went through around to get that medicine, guys. It's not an easy thing. Probably you find in a mountain like this, you know. So I find it's a medicinal, guys. Wow. And it's growing naturally within here. Try to imagine, guys. That one there, probably I don't want to go near. Maybe inside there you have a snake, I don't know. I don't want to go there because we didn't have gumboots right now. Wow. So guys, where I'm standing right now, I'm seeing Border Town, you know. It's just right there, but my camera didn't zoom. But Border Town, it's within right there, guys. So probably let's go, guys. Let me tight my camera like that. Okay, guys, don't mind. I'm rotating, guys. Maybe I'll come with the KK or not. Let me see, guys. Which come first? So I'm heading this way, and then I meet the main road going that way. Yeah. Okay, guys, I see. So, okay, a little bit. I was showing you that medicine, but by God's grace, just within here. Just within here. Guys, I'm not like faking things. If you know this type of medicinal, maybe it's grown in your country, please comment on the comment section. That one here. For my Jamaican family, if you know this medicinal, drop the sweet comment on the comment section. Look how it looks like. Even I'll show you some flowers. Look, that's the flowers. They're in green color right here. It's a lot, man. That one here. One day if my mama send me, or congrats mom, I just run up this place, peel it, and then take to her. Look, That's how it looks like when flower germinates. It looks like that one there. This one, the same medicine that I see on the other side, and then that one grow inside the bush, and then no gum. But here it's something you can see. Okay, yeah, I'm telling you, in Africa here, sometimes we have some medicine that are curing maybe disease, and then for us we don't know, you know, but other people knows it's a medicine. Like for me, I know a little bit, you know, not that much. All medicine that I know a little bit, like that one there, but I forget which disease they are curing, you know, but I know it's a medicine. Wow, and we have a lot, so let's go, guys. So I have jackets, I have my gloves right here, both hand. So what I'm missing, it's helmet. I have the helmet, although it's heavy to wear and then film my videos, you know. I need the light helmet, so I work on that. So that been said earlier. You know, guys, I make a mistake to charge my phone here while my motorbike it's on but not riding, so the battery goes down. You know, sometimes this is crazy. You see? That's a small thing, guys. I'll fix that. Let's go. So this is the main road here. See people collecting sand here. I see Mr. Down on the KK. This is a KK here.
Yes.
Mr. Down!
Yes, how are you guys?
I'm good.
You are good.
Yeah. Okay.
I am heading here at Timber.
Oh,
Yes.
same to me. Life in border town, and the road is coming at the back. Let them go, guys. We are not on the race, you know. Me, I'm just floated by. The KK is going up to the other side. My Roma Catholic Church. Yeah, we are Romans, guys, you know. Okay. That view. Yeah. Every day it's a business day. Every day. You know. Let's move, guys. Life in Borehole town, guys. So nice. Okay. Yeah. Nenda kuchukua simiti. Maize corn. Whoa. Let's move, man. This Borehole town. Okay guys, let's go. Let's go. I'm picking my cement within here. Okay, see. What I got to meet it. What I got to see how fast. What nigga tani record. What record tana vid. Ta uchu heri simiti ni nanire. Ne waya mesh. Hayu kamba. You got to touring. Yeah. See how to safe way. So we are going with this guy to deliver this stuff, and then we come back. We pick my cement. No problem. Bora wakore enda fundi. Bora wakore enda bora. Ai, unakula nini?
Leo niambie mwanangu vipi? Njaa tu.
Big stomach, big belly.
Ndio uko njaa tu.
Njaa gani?
Maisha mwanangu.
Eating good.
Naona umeingia kunini kupakia.
Hizi naenda sehemu nije kupakia zangu.
Mara nyingi tunakutana na amba sijui nini.
Bora na rahani. 0740 type wa rasi 11 songa meka 11 93 92 9392. Okay guys, this is Borehole town. Yeah? And in front of us, there's a mosque. If you are a Muslim, you already know.
Fine, what about you?
Fine, thank you. Yeah. Narudi kumema. Hey. Ndio napafuria mzigo noko. Bana ngemakini.
No.
A lot of KK, guys. Orang tiga di TV dong, Roma kan hari ini meeting dengan kahero kakaknya otak gue maafera, betul maafera napa fundi parakan. Big bag, no problem. Let's go. Gianni. Okay.
Hey, Kuli.
Ito yung musiko sio ako. Bro, barato me quieres Okay guys, let's go. I'm enjoying. We have two banks here. Mana home ya kan?
Mana mau jual?
No meter box here. You are riding manually.
Meter box for what?
Yeah, for reading speed, some kilometers and speed. Right now you are riding route free in the local way. Hey. Yeah, during afternoon, guys, we see some people's here with some retailer shop hanging clothes outside. Then here, yeah, that's police officer within there. When you see some lorries parked here, shows you in border town there's a lot of business going here. You see another KK here. Yeah, that's the KK. My friend, no side mirror. Hey, how do you manage yourself riding this KK here? Yeah. Super. Okay. This is the other side of the border town. This is like Diva Hospital here. Okay. So guys, first thing we deliver this material. So and then now we come to pick our own material. Boom. Machinga.
Kasongo. How are you?
Very maandamano Kasongo. Yeah, guys, you see? Woo. Hey. Oh, najenga hapa chini mara mimi, siko Nyabansi. I seen some boy have some sugar cane. See that boy? Hey, hey. Kapaga nere mere. Guys, our journey is too long. I don't want to film, but I'll show you where we deliver this stuff. It's like a song. Hey, see the boy with sugar. Hey, hey, look at that. Lord. Guys, we're going inside here. Hey. Whoa. Oh my God. Hey, hey. We have cement. We have silver. Hey, Mr. Kasongo. Hey. Whoa, 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 whoa. Life in Africa, guys. Hey. We knock the stones here. Hey. The side of border town here. So guys, we deliver materials here to the next site, and then now we pick materials to my site. Mr. Kasongo, afu leo kuna maandamano, utakuwe vijana. See some blocks here. Oya, unaitwa? Nimedirisha nganga nizonde andahagaje. Yenye unafanya hivi, unaona hata ndege ikipita. Today my life could be on the KK, guys. So we are parking here cement, you know. Toka Mogesi. Kanaos. Gono ge korara. Ana vocha vocha. Yes, let's go. Tourists taking photos. Unaona hadi wazungu kazi wenye wanafanya huko. Right. So we wanna take my materials right here, and then boom. Wow. Okay, we're gonna move. We're gonna move and then take my stuff. Yeah. This is another surprise by itself. So 1, 2, 3. So we have the waterproof right here, cement. So I'm waiting the wire mesh, and then boom. These are D10.
Yes, Mr. Kasongo. How are you?
I'm good. Kama umeanza hivyo sasa naenda na pikipiki yangu. Sije nikute imepigwa mawe. And I normally buy some my material construction lintel building here. And then this is the store. Stop. Okay guys, let's see the cement have already arrived. So probably may just drive quick and fast, come back home to check to my engineer. So I left the guy behind. Oh man, this is crazy, you know. The guy is coming, man. Yeah. Gang. So I will forgive him, guys, because he's supposed to put that cement on the other side, because I understand he was carrying too heavy luggage, you know. Okay, so here, yeah, mango one. Okay guys, you got to take my como the tour chituransa non maso mene kigali. Tora maso kibono tamu so manani tasikire kana ven. Wana mga sekito ko na madiko diko. These some bags of cement, and this one here goes to one of my friend at Nyabohansi. You know. Now waterproof mo usisahau huko. Okay guys. Right, and waterproof. Ngoramba ati kappa. Okay. Uwe, takora keyo tusumanche. Otaya ngoramba kesi. Guys, this is a lot of money. Onya baku wa uteka wata sore nani kekari. Okay. Oh no. Yeah, once guys, going guys. So mine cement only, you know, the bag, and also the waterproof, you know. So guys, please don't charge me on this video. Oh, hello baby, I see the steel bar, and then you didn't offload, man. This is mine. That's one of my friend. So actually they was heading to Nyabohansi after this, you know, going that way. And also the wire mesh. So let me take to my mason. Oh my god. See this? They'll put underground, and then those tunnel of water they can pass here easily. Wow. That's why I mesh, guys. Ooh. Si iko sawa itaingia chini. Hii. Oh my God. Alright guys, my brother is coming from this corner here. See? Whoa. Whoa guys, whoa. Okay. Let's go. Okay guys. I'm shooting by using my phone. You know. So that's my cement there. One. Two. Unaona leo fundi hakuna ujanja kwa hiyo. Like that. Alright guys, let me show you how the constructor leads. You know. So the cement for construction sour. This is the mortar. They've already mixed cement, sand, and also balance. And this is a lead. You see. So they take the measurement and then construct in a circular way. You know. So this is a center here, and then circumference must be the same here, there, other side on this side. Wow. This is a formwork. And then when Simba, no camera. Then after that, they'll put another carabat here. So on Saturday is to fix that lid on the other side. Also, it has a door. This one here. Eti fundi. Eti wanasema eti hii mlango itobotoboro mashimo. Eti ndio inasababisha kisima inaanguka. Itobolewa mashimo ya nini? Eti hapa juu. Mama. Wigure. Gaticho hii kugira hii. Eti toboro mashimo hapa eti hewa inapita. Eti ndio imesababisha kabomoka. Ncho sasa huyo mama njoo. As I'm calling mama because in the morning we try to argue. We gura bangere mama kuna kutoboa mashimo.
Mwingine alisema ati nini hewa ipite.
Kama ni hewa ipite.
Unataka ati naruti ndani ndio maana ninapomoka hiyo kisima kinapomoka.
Nikupatia hadithi nyingine.
Nipe hadithi nyingine.
Kwa nini watu wa kale walisema ifunikwe hivyo? Sababu umepiga kafuli. Sasa maana ya kafuli kwa kisima yako itakuwa kama ni kitu
ya kutumia hata kunywa.
Haina nini? Haina haja ya kuweka kafuli. Mtu anakuja na ile sumu anaweka kupitia. Sasa hakuna haja, ndio maana hao walisema hivi. Kama ni kupumua ya kisima
inafunguliwa mchana.
Kando hivi na kapae. Hiyo unaweza weka siku ya Jumamosi YouTube weka hivi. Ya kupumua. Hiyo ni siri.
Haya.
Wewe unajua hiyo unaziba kidogo unatoa. Unaziba unatoa.
Sasa mchana kinafunguliwa kinakaa wazi.
Haya.
So guys, my mom she was telling me like to take this to the welding and then make some holes here. So for the moisture passing from the borehole. So what I think guys, if you close at night, somebody will come in with the poison and then do like this, the poison will fall inside the borehole, and then when you drink water, man, your life is ended. So we disagree. Yeah. Okay. Water going to sleep, man. I get water, my yes. No, guys, this is the mortar. Concrete mortar. No problem, guys. Manuela. Yes. And then boom. Mzee karatasi iko hapa.
Imekuja.
Imekuja na iko hapa. Sutaweka hizi. Ama hizi hazitatosha. Okay. Shepherd. My mama is freely fetching water. Alright. Sita. Kaongea siri. Hi, okay, guys, we shall meet on the next video. That's my mama. Alright, guys, let me show you the work for today. Actually, they done foam work for covering the lid. So I'm gonna show you right now, guys, and then I think I'll end my videos right now, guys. No. Probably people are working, they're waiting money. Yo, yeah. Right. So guys, this is the foam work, you see, and then they will fix that door, and then some handles, you know. Okay, guys, I ran out of the copyright, and guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. So we shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.